In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in Resurs Bank. So friends, go to Google, search for Resurs. This is the keyword. Click the first result. As you can see here, when you click the first result, you will see this page. From here, choose your country, Sweden, and then click login. After that, just wait a few seconds, you will see this login page. So friends, you can use this QR code to log in with your QR codes, and then you can use your bank ID on this device. Choose bank ID. If you have a bank ID, you can choose as a login option, and then you can use and scan this code, and then you can log in successfully. If you want to log in with your ID, click this one. So friends, this is how you can actually to log in. Just click login this page from here. As you can see here, you will see login page. From this login page, write your QR codes. I want to back, for example, to want to use ID, just click this one, choose your portal ID, this for ID, and then you can log in with Sweden language, write ID and your all details. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content.